Donovan Masonry has been Ottawa's trusted masonry contractor for 48 years, delivering expert craftsmanship since 1978. From chimney repair and brick restoration to foundation parging, we've helped homeowners protect and restore their properties with quality work built to last. Is your chimney showing signs of damage? Cracked mortars, falling bricks, water leaks, stains, or a leaning structure are all warning signs that shouldn't be ignored. The longer they're left untreated, the more expensive the repairs become. Let Donovan Masonry restore it before minor damage turns into a major problem. Our restoration services are designed to preserve both the beauty and structural integrity of your home. We specialize in brick and stone restoration, professional repointing for a refreshed appearance, replacement of damaged brickwork, and carefully matching existing materials and mortar colors to maintain your home's original character. Your home deserves craftsmanship that stands the test of time. A strong home begins with a solid foundation. Donovan Masonry provides expert foundation parging and repair, including above-grade foundation crack repairs, durable protective parging coatings, and custom-colored foundation finishes. Stop water intrusion before it starts and protect your home's foundation for years to come. When homeowners choose Donovan Masonry, they aren't simply hiring a contractor. They're investing in nearly 5 decades of practical experience, proven workmanship, and professional accountability. As Yusuf Kiprop, technical partner at Donovan Masonry, says, "Our commitment has remained the same since the company was established in 1978 in Ottawa, Ontario. Deliver quality masonry work that homeowners can depend on." Why do Ottawa homeowners continue to choose Donovan Masonry? Because your home is in experienced hands. We've proudly served Ottawa and the surrounding communities for 48 years with consistent, trusted results. We provide complete interior and exterior masonry restoration, offering comprehensive solutions for every part of your property. With nearly 50 years in business, our track record speaks for itself. Longevity is earned through quality work, satisfied customers, and dependable service. Most importantly, you'll receive personal attention and direct accountability from a family-run business, not a franchise or an unfamiliar crew. Our complete range of masonry services includes chimney repair, repointing and rebuilding, foundation parging and above-grade foundation repairs, caulking for doors, windows, and expansion joints, custom stone installation and decorative masonry finishes, chimney cap installation and flashing, brick and stone replacement, scaffold erection, and complete interior and exterior masonry restoration. For complete masonry solutions, trust Ottawa's experienced professionals. Contact Donovan Masonry today for your free quote. Call 613-783-1949 or email us. Don't let small masonry problems become costly repairs. Call Ottawa's masonry experts today, proudly serving Ottawa and the surrounding areas for over 48 years.